Today we had filed an application for permanent exemption. On the last date of hearing, PP had filed a reply objecting it to, but the learned judge has granted the same. The second one was program is fixed now. After 5th June, every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, from 11:30 to 1 o'clock, our matters will be taken. And first, on 5th, victim girl will be examined. After examination of the victim girl and cross-examination, then the program will be fixed for other witnesses. The learned PP has given list of 20 witnesses first, which he wants to examine. Those dates will be thereafter given.
Okay.
That's all for today.
The accused will be appearing on day one of the term.
No, this is not the first date. Now, if it is, we are not disputing his identity, and therefore, if it is required, judge said either he has to come if it is required, or if we don't dispute his identity, is not required actually as per law, or he has to be made available by VC.
Video conference.
Yeah, video conferencing.